Welcome to English with Mr. Eric. Today we're going to read a short story about my picnic. This is a reading comprehension for the Cefr level pre-A1, A1. If you like this video, you can download this free worksheet. You can find the link at the description box. In this way, you can improve your reading comprehension skill. Let's get started. Part 1, Story. It is sunny day. Jenny goes on a picnic with her family. Before that, they prepare some tasty food for the picnic. Jenny has her favorite food like juicy fruits, pizza, burger, French fries, and chocolate. Jenny also has her cold lemonade and hot tea. They spread a picnic mat under a shady tree. Birds chirp happily as they enjoy the tasty food. Jenny is happy to have a wonderful day with her family. Part 2, Practice. If you like this video, you can download this free worksheet. You can find the link at the description box. Please download this free worksheet to improve your reading comprehension skill. You can pause the video and start doing the paper now. Now you have done Part 3. Please check and mark your answers. Number 1, sunny day. Number 2, prepare food. Number 3, shady tree. Number 4, birds chirp. Number 5, picnic. Number 6, hot drinks. Number 7, wonderful day. Number 8, picnic mat. Number 9, food. Number 10, fruits. Part 2. Question A. It is sunny day. Jenny goes on a picnic with her family. Question B. Jenny has favorite food like juicy fruits, pizza, burger, French fries, and chocolate. Question C. They spread a picnic mat on the a shady tree. Question D. Birds chirp happily as they enjoy the tasty food. And the last question, question E. Jenny is happy to have a wonderful day with her family. Part 3. Number 1. Who does Jenny go on picnic with? Jenny goes on picnic with her family. Number 2. What do they need to prepare before the picnic? They need to prepare some tasty food before the picnic. Question 3. What are Jenny's favorite food? So you can see that her favorite food: pizza, burger, french fries, chocolate. Number 4. What do they spread under the shady tree? They spread a picnic mat under the shady tree. Number 5. Does Jenny have a wonderful day? Why? Yes, she does. This is because Jenny has a wonderful day with her family. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more free English lessons to improve your reading comprehension skill and all your English skills with us. See you soon. Bye.